Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A2x. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Let's go to lock screen password and firstly let's turn off the password. Now we've got three options to set lock screen. We can set numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. Let's start with numeric, and again we've got three more options: 6-digit PIN, 4-digit PIN and 4 to 16-digit PIN password. Let's select 4-digit PIN and now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric PIN, and to create it enter 4 to 16 characters. Next, let's select pattern, and to set it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to face unlock, and to set it, scan your face via front camera. Now you can use your face to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprint, and to set it, scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Use it to unlock the phone. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.